You guys are history.
Yeah.
There's your name on it. There you go. Open it over there.
Look at this.
Go over there. Over there.
Uh-oh, you guys, I gotta figure out who this is from.
Well, can they open their big one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, go for it. You guys are history. Toast. You guys are history.
This is ridiculous, you guys doing this.
Sure is.
You taking that case?
Mm-hmm. Who's it from?
They're opening the card right now.
Boom. Kelsey.
I don't know who this is from, you guys. I'm in trouble.
Is this what you bought, Dad? We're opening this today? I didn't buy it. Oh, it's a present.
Bob, you gotta help me. I don't know who
Rudy's
this is
nice to
from.
you. Oh, I know. You're the one opening it. Excuse me. Better watch this.
Wow. It's unbelievable, you guys.
What is it?
You don't even know what it is.
You know what it is.
You do?
Yeah, well,
It's a rocking chair.
It's a rocking chair. It's a new recliner. You gotta put it together.
Here you go. Get down over here. Panasonic something.
wow.
There it is.
What this is,
Look down here. Over here.
Rob. Rob. Rob.
Plasma.
Plasma HD. It's an HD. It's an HD high definition.
Yeah.
Wow, guys.
Sports on until 3 a.m. on that thing.
Oh man. Oh, what's the width? 40?
42 inch.
Good. You guys are a little bit overboard, man.
Yeah, you did.
Probably should just leave it in the box till you get it home, Dad.
Who's it from?
Gabby.
Kevin?
Kevin?
Kevin and me,
You
and
guys,
all of us.
Still Bob, Rory grandchildren.
It'll be
Wow.
fun.
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be fun.
I'm taping this. Do you guys? I'm gonna send this to Kevin. You guys want to say thank you to Kevin? I'm taping this to send to Kevin. You want to say thank you?
Okay, thank you, Kevin.
I'm gonna call him.
Well, and I'm emailing this to
Taping
him.
you right now, Dad.
Thanks, Kev. Real surprise. We've been looking at this for many months now. We got our own now.